Hi, it's me, Jesus. You might recognize me from the Bible, that Mel Gibson movie, or those crazy What Would Jesus Do bracelets. I have some important news to share. It shall be known that from this day forward, Dunwoody Brokers Realty has been chosen as the official real estate company of both heaven and earth. Need your house sold quickly? No problem. Need to get top dollar? No problem. Your buyer causing you grief? I'll send them down a lightning bolt. Give Dunwoody Brokers a call and see what a special company I created. As Dad is my witness, you will not find a more reliable, knowledgeable, and friendly group of agents anywhere. Trust me, I'm omnipotent. Also, do remember, thou shalt visit www.dunwoodybrokers.com and like on Facebook. Well, I must be going for now. Mary is roasting a duck, and I need to make some wine. But I will be seeing you soon. Real soon.